Welcome back to the channel, guys. It is Thursday, September the 22nd, and let me tell you what I did the other day. I messed up big time. So here's what happened. So Tuesday, did all kind of filming, actually sprayed some cotton, defoliated it, and then Wednesday, we were working on the cotton picker, we were working on the combine, had all this content. Very last thing I was gonna do on Wednesday afternoon is I had my drone. I was gonna get some drone footage of spraying the soybeans, and I went to pull my drone out, did not have an SD card in there. So I was all the way over there in the valley. I pretty much I didn't think I had any in my truck, any extra ones. So basically my only option was pull the SD card out of this camera right here, out of my GoPro, which I had 2 days worth of content. Pull it out, stick it in the drone, fly the drone, get the drone footage, and then take the SD card back out and put it in the GoPro in case I want to do a little bit more. I had to do an outro. So anyway, so got the drone footage, everything went great. And I took the SD card out, put it back in my GoPro, and I knew it was either going to go good or bad, and it went bad. GoPro, powered it up, showed 0 on how many clips I have in the camera. So basically, I think the drone reformatted the SD card. When I put it back in the GoPro, we lost everything. So I even went back last night. I worked on it for several hours. Downloaded some software called Disk Drill, trying to recover the footage off of the SD card. And anyway, after hours of trying to do that, I just had no luck. The drone footage from where I sprayed the beans, I still have that. So we'll go ahead and roll that here in just a second. Okay, so here is what we got on tap for today so far. First thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go down to the seed house. Wayne has got one more truck to load, and when he gets down to that last load, he's got to have help cleaning, getting corn off the walls. Everybody's got to work together so we can get the truck loaded quickly. So that's what we're doing first. And Dad's going over to Talkville. He wants to take a look at the beans, just tell me basically when he wants me to spray them and get them ready to pick or combine. I've still got some stuff to do, the cotton picker, so we'll be doing that. And we got Dad's combine up there the other day. I got his combine pretty much ready to go, but I've got to go through his draper header, McDon, so we're going to be going through that. And basically that's all I got so far. So anyway, sit back, enjoy the video, and we'll start off with the drone footage from yesterday. Roll the footage. Here is Dad's combine. And anyway, pretty much got the combine ready to go. Like I said, the header, that's what all the focus is gonna be on. We gotta get that baby ready. All right, so what we're doing right now is we're going through here and we're looking at these, what they're called hold downs. Basically seeing how worn this little piece right here is that keeps the blade down. Kind of rubs on it like this. Anyway, the ones that are really worn thin right here, we're going through and replacing them. Not all of them, but got a few of them. You know, I think I've got a brand new blade in my header.
Really?
It came with the header brand new.
Oh, you lucky dog.
But I mean, you want to put it on yours?
I got a long way to go, I know that. This blade is really old.
All right there. Oh, did you see that trick? Bet you didn't know it did that. Well, some people did. I bet some people did. I knew it had brand new blades. Every time I bought these McDonald headers, they always give you a brand new set of blades, and it goes right here in this little tube for storage. Yep. Isn't that cool? Hey, y'all want to mess with Dad? Watch this. What I'm gonna do is I gotta sell it though. I mean, I gotta act like I'm mad that this new header did not come with the new blade. So I gotta act like I can't believe this header didn't come with a new blade. And he's gonna be like, "Are you kidding me?" Or either he's gonna say, "Really?" So we're gonna act like there's no blade in this header and see what happens. You're not gonna believe this.
Huh?
I said, you're not gonna believe this, but that header did not come with one. Every one I bought has come with one.
Oh, shoot.
I'm joking.
Huh. Don't do that to me.
You got a brand new one.
All right, good deal.
Of course, we just greased it. Makes it better. Grease all over your hand. There she goes. Oh, don't go down. And she's out. Now we'll just grab right here on this blade and should pull out this way the whole thing. Or whatever you want to call it. Sickle bar, whatever we call the blade. Cutter bar.
He got a guard on it. All right, Mark. Take out Welding. We're gonna clear them both over like this.
Now my finger's in here. Come on. Right there.
Now, it ain't gonna hit.
Huh?
It ain't gonna hit.
Are you sure?
Positive. I'm gonna love when you bleed. Look at that.
That's gonna be our spare. Dad did not want to get rid of it. It still works. If you have something major mess up with the new one, something gets bent really bad, the cutter bar, we can always put this one back in and keep going. So, all right. We just got to remember that's an old one. That's not a brand new one. Get everything like I want it. There go in. There she goes. She's in. That's it. Set it and forget it. Alright, got Mark going out there. He's going to hook up to our diesel tank. The jack that is on that trailer is completely shot. So got a new one right here that Dad bought. And unfortunately, he bought the one that has a different size little holder right here. So we're gonna pull it up in here, hopefully with that forklift, if it'll pull it. And we're gonna cut the old one off, and I gotta weld this baby on. Dad's out there. He's got to go through every one of those hold downs since we put a new blade on and all. Every one of those hold downs has to be adjusted, and so takes a long time. But anyway, that's what he's doing out there. So I thought I'd work on this. So I got to get the weld machine and get everything ready. Look at there. Check this out, guys. We've had another bowl open. Got this one's got a crack in it. I bet it'll be open tomorrow. And this one's got a little ways. Look at that little plant. This little plant right here came up out of somewhere. It must have been a cotton seed spilled on the ground. Anyway, it has had nothing. No fertilizer, anything. And it is gonna produce 4 pickable bowls. Can you believe that? That's amazing to me. I'd say that little guy right there did about as good as you could have done this year. So anyway, we'll keep getting some video of him when everything opens. So next thing I gotta do is we're gonna fill up the combine with diesel. I think it's already full of DEF, so we'll top it off with diesel. And then also my rogator, I'm gonna get Mark to go ahead and steam clean it, get it washed up, so it'll be ready to go when we go over to Toggleville. Dad is taking the header back over there to the hay barn, dropping it off. Then he's gonna head to Toggleville. He's gonna look at those beans and make a decision while he's over there on when he wants to spray those soybeans, and go ahead and knock the leaves off of them and start making them dry up and get them ready for harvest. So we'll hear from him later on today on what he saw over there and what he thinks on the timeline. So let's get this sprayer moved over there for Mark, and then we'll top the combine off with diesel. All right, guys, you know what time it is. Oh my gosh. I just slung Coke all over me. All right, you know what time it is. All right, guys, did it again. Let's just get it over with. I got 5 shots today. Let's see how I do. Got 3 big factors. I'm feeling good, but I got 3 big factors that are not helping me out today. Number 1, the extreme heat. We're at 100 degrees right now. Number 2, really, really heavy wind. And I think it's also raining too, just a little bit. So let's see how I do. Well, you saw it. 1 out of 5. What can you say? Always got next time. Guys, that is going to be it. Unfortunately, we are out of time, so this is going to be the end of the video. We're going to still do some stuff around the shop this afternoon, but as for this video, we are out of time. So we're going to end the video with some cool drone footage. They are baling square hay right across the road, so we'll get some cool footage of that, and then that will be the end of the video. So for those that are still watching, if you don't mind, click the little thumb somewhere down here. Anyway, it means you like the video. I really appreciate when y'all do that. It helps our channel out. And if you didn't like it, don't click the thumb. Then if you haven't subscribed, click the Triple R Farms. Where is it? Somewhere up here. Click the Triple R Farms logo, and that'll get you subscribed. Costs nothing. And guys, I hate I didn't get another video out this week. Unfortunately, it was just a mess up on my end. But anyway, hope y'all have a great weekend. We're going to be defoliating some more cotton Monday. Got a really busy week next week, so hopefully I'll get 3 videos out. And guys, that's it. See you on the next one. Start the drone footage.